Today, I'll walk you through how to use Wikilinks in Obsidian, the fastest way to turn your notes into a connected network of knowledge. If you find this helpful, be sure to like and subscribe, and let's jump right in. Wikilinks are one of Obsidian's most powerful core features. Instead of using the traditional Markdown link format, Obsidian uses double square brackets to create internal links between notes. This lets you quickly connect ideas, build relationships between topics, and navigate your vault with ease. The first thing you'll want to do is launch Obsidian and open the vault where you want to start linking. Once you're in, open an existing note, or go ahead and create a new one to practice with. Now position your cursor inside the note editor, right where you want the link to appear. Type 2 opening square brackets, just like this. You'll immediately notice Obsidian displays a list of note suggestions. Start typing the name of an existing note, and the suggestions will narrow down as you go. When you see the note you want, click it or use the arrow keys to highlight it and press Enter. Obsidian will insert the note name inside the brackets, so you'll see something like projectideas.kedin. But here's where it gets really useful. You can also type a note name that doesn't exist yet. Press Enter, and Obsidian will create a link to a note that hasn't been created. Click that wiki link, and Obsidian will automatically create and open the new note for you. Add some content to that fresh note, save your changes, then use the back button to return to your original note. You'll see the link is now live, connecting the two. As you build out your vault, start adding multiple wiki links throughout your notes. For example, if you take meeting notes, link them to the projects, people, or tasks they relate to. When you're working on research notes, connect sources, summaries, and insights so you can discover information more easily. And don't forget daily notes. Link them to your ongoing projects and activities to keep everything connected. You can also create aliased wiki links using the format notename customtext.10. This displays whatever text you want while still linking to the same note, perfect for readability. To see which notes link back to the current one, open the backlinks pane, and for a big picture view, open Graph View to watch how your linked notes form a network of ideas. Finally, take a moment to review your linking structure. Make sure your most important notes are connected and add any missing links where they'll be useful. So there you have it. You now know how to use Wikilinks in Obsidian to build a connected knowledge system that makes your information easier to discover and navigate. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.